One of the best ways to do any rapid decision making or strategic decision making in your meetings and events is to use the Vevox XY plot polling type. Now I'm going to walk you through a quick example as to how you can do that exactly. Let's say you want to use Vevox in the workplace to find out what would have the biggest impact on mental health for your colleagues. So what we need to do is go ahead and program our XY plot polling question. We just need to press Create New, press the drop down arrow here, and then head over to XY plot. Then we just need to put our question title in here. And then we need to put our items to rate in these boxes here. Then we need to change the axes here. And you can also change the highest value here as well, but we're just going to leave that at 5 for the time being. So once you're happy with your question title and the items to rate, then you just need to press Create, and then head over to the Vevox Present view when you're ready to start presenting. Now all we have to do is move our mouse around a little bit, so the toolbar at the bottom of the screen shows, press the Open Poll button, and now that question is live for all of our audience to see. If you need to highlight the QR code on the left hand side, you can do so for easy access for your audience to join, and also the joining instructions are always visible on the left hand side of the Vevox Present view. This is what your audience is going to see once they're logged into your Vevox session, and they just need to vote on this polling question by moving the bars along. Once they've voted, they just need to press the Send button. Once all of your votes are in, you can just press the Close Poll button at the bottom of your Present View screen, and the average of how everyone has voted will then appear on the screen. So from here, we'd like to think that a Bring Your Pet to Work Day would be the best thing to improve mental health in the workplace, because it has the highest impact on the individual and the lowest cost. So that's it from me. I hope you found this video useful, and we'll see you on the next tips video.